Biakamal Kanur Online TV Channel to Keller Banlingwasame. Shalado Nene Dr. Riek Machar Tenyajen Ramadan Tektetko be General Dung SSPDF Menla Kwerdini Kirmayadit Rewish Kanaser and Obeluki Bajanek Jejan Bor Shalado Te Dr. Riek Machar Tenteg Titin. And Obadan take a titin Banajalinka Jalerame. Kan konon yamre lerkam bokon linga mi jirama jidit kanor online TV channel gore jeno jende jenyo kanas koken ka naga jeno ba jende ria support koder subscribe kanor online TV channel kode lerin content banunga de kan chwa mala chubuji gwas dana pai kalarich aller balin gwas me shirkemen shaling won enana eno cha general nakre weekend nasir chala do ramadan tiktetin Dr. Riek Machar ten kwar asfele mayo ban ler ban je chulinga ko do dan le rande linga general Riek Kong Ramadan lai spokesperson ka SSPDF gonya Dr. Riek Machar ngo ɛjɛn jak SSPDF General ko ba jenna kone re weekanaser shala de kum kirma yadi no Dr. Riek Machar ɛjɛn ba tijo ka dia SSPDF Kennedy ni ka re weekanaser ka Great Afanal State. She Major General Riek Kong Jiladano Araman wu General SSPDF Kamrar Renya Gurgurka Kire de Baba Kire Wulida Mecha Roda Tautin Kennedy Nika Dangwell Kel Riek Machar Gwase dane shi kume SSPDF lakini mayadit mechi kanon no de karwach ke jejen bor re weekanaser ko de kan wudu mode kan palika shaje loka jejen bor chukan kula jien chukan kula nyok murai kan ke Dr. Riek Machar eno ramamo anu ke kejuba general ndana ci gare torbiel wade dana ci korcha tokten me shawu yara diu me chaje kep jejen bor an gwasmo chu Dr. Riek Machar chu nong naga kel ka shu burai ke jejen bor chu jejen bor nok bon woman chalat Dr. Riek Machar kwera spele mayu en woye magwa ana mo me chika raj mo chika na kwen chagu jeno ba din te baknang den te cha kon nang ken yam chi kwer che radian cheng me chala do cha kwer cha nang ala jero lien chu kan bone jero kwa be wa ka cheng ro mo chu jejen bor chu kan re na le chi ben chu kan chu dwan mach ka chu kan general mo kan yo nak nakan ne tetka aspel mayo ka den din content pin Dr. Riek Machar ten ano chala do jen do badan en lat ka jen go sha Dr. Riek Machar ten cha jako Ramadan en jak kwermo ke general ko belu ka gujemo cha la do Ramadan en ba tich ka ngot ka ta dan en general mo che liu ka je ka roja dan en chalat Major General Riek Kong Ramadan la spokesperson ka SSPDF re wich ka so Sudan pinkir ma yadit shega ngai kone an go cha ne to ngwane kan long ka asfele mayo cha ka yen akare yen ka tama ka ngai yen ne ga shenge dan me shire ga moje to ga je cha ne dialton kon tin la kwar asfele mayo cha ka yen ka cha doro point de en Dr. Riek Machar cha de gulba ke de SSPDF ka national security ka shenge dan shire ga moje to ga je chuma na tama ngoda wa ka mu gorga netin kon tin la deni asfele mayo en go yan ka ke re wich ka juba tan dien te ka tawka ajen ku ina link ka kor gwasan pai wo en go chilure kong che chure no Canada le kon de churian bar ke te churian to la deni SSPDF deni asfele mayo tin pin Dr. Riek Machar en o de ko lunjo gwalat tan dien chi ka jien chi kanun ni ka gwada dan ti deni asfele mayo tin ka dwal ko dongor ka ken o de ka yen ke dobe dan ko target ke je re wich ka juba me chi re dan je to re wich ka nasir ko shwagor no ba kan dial ba ka yen chutan in chi gorun chubar ne de konte kar lon ka bar cha yu kep no chi ke ne de kon la chief of staff ka especially mayu kane Ramadan la petroleum minister no potkang cha je yen bo kan ne dial ko ken cha yen ka ro ada cha yen ne ko ken ne de wan long ne de cha yen tam kir ma yadit kene chu ko jandangaro ana mo cherek che jenong malat kana gwasme en kume SSPDF eno tes film ayo ko tetten ne me cha gu jeno ba chi chong ko en SPLM ayo gor kan ku kan kod ne ni ja ko dong de ne ti de ka lon chirge me chi kan gu jeno baram mo ba jenek eno bi jejen bor bi karamo bi kana nyoko mun kan ni wire nyale kana kon expect ke kana ngaja gwano der to ena mo la rejen o shimi de Dr. machar de jela dwi de keje duno melat ke long kum kin mo yadi lat ke no ando badanen jake Dr. machar ko bela ramadan nagude me ke nek de ni SSPDF ojen ne de kontla jechen bora wate ke pinde ko ne ko gwaze dan meche kor meche to koron kin dangra wido wol jok jagu je no jara medan me lwa ke ken jechen bora mo alo chuken Dr. machar chuken nyor ke chuko koru ken ter gwaze dan e chukor je to jere wich ka so Sudan ke 2013 me cha Nuer me cha na ki me kwa target me rikir me yadit medan la jure Uganda ne ken de indi gol koken ko ba Nuer ba ko nek karam medan e gor ke long Dr. machar ko gor ken no de ken nek men me cha beken me cha mal me cha jiblat karon kin dangre wol badak chu to ko be Dr. machar bore wiki juba ko cha mal cha la no bereten ajen chul tene shu man tamma mu kwal gonje tene mu ge ken o jen ba chere karam cha yen wiki juba ko tel melade gwaye eler chalen gwas me jen ta dan chirek mo je to goje ban je linga ta dan chalat ke je ka tuk English ko mu gor je no bler billing please gor no bi nyanas ko ken no ko dob dan de kalinge je mu pay ka brech ban lero ban je chuling agwa ka lode. The army spokesperson has stated that Dr. Riek Machar, the leader of the SPLM-IO, interfered with the evacuation of SSPDF soldiers displaced by the Nasser conflict and should be held accountable for the loss of life during the incident in Nasser. On Friday, the United Nations mission in South Sudan reported that several SSPDF members, including an injured general, were killed while attempting to evacuate from the area. This attempt was made at the request of all parties involved. A United Nations assistant pilot was also killed during the attack. According to Major General Riek Kong at Bilpam, the SSPDF forces had been under the protection of the local population when Dr. Riek Machar ordered his force to remove them from the civilian care. Dr. Riek Machar interfered with some of his officers here. They provide the local administrator in Akobo County with the list of the soldiers. Riek and his force under the command of Major General James Otong Leah to forcibly remove those SSPDF personnel from the local population that had been protecting them for the past 7 days. The local, however, resisted the move, expressing concern that the safety of the soldier could not be guaranteed if taken by a third party. The community resisted because they feared the safety of the soldiers couldn't be guaranteed if taken by the third party, said Lul. When his order was not succeeding, General Lul stated that Dr. Machar allegedly called the local population, asking them to hand over the soldier to his forces for transportation to the SSPDF. The local population refused. According to Lul Ray, Dr. Machar then claimed he would send a plan to pick up the detained soldiers from their location. Major General Lul Ray emphasized that Dr. Machar's interference was a key factor in the incident. After realizing his efforts were failing, Dr. Machar contacted the local population, asking them to hand over the soldier to his forces, could transport them and return them to the SSPDF. The civilian refused. Then he said he would send a plan to pick them up. This interference was the first problem in our effort. And if it ain't like it did in Nasser, you all know he directly interfered with our security forces operation. Major General Luray further stated that the SPLM-IO leadership was directly involved and should be held accountable for the deaths in Nasser. The leadership of SPLM-IO under Dr. Riek and Lieutenant General Gabriel Doblam could have stopped him, but they didn't. This would have prevented the continuation of events that clearly aim at obstructing the implementation of transitional security arrangement. He managed to avoid accountability for it. It is crucial to understand that the SPLM-IO was directly involved and should be held accountable for the life lost in Nasser or elsewhere. The international community should hold Dr. Riek Machar as the chairman and commander-in-chief responsible. When contacted the office of the first vice president, Dr. Riek Machar stated it will respond to these claims. Jaro jadana chala no mo biya tekamal.